Dave Mead Longbows. In the last video I showed you some speed comparisons between a modern recurve and compared to my sinew composites, and in this video I'm going to show you my shooting style and how it can increase the speed of your shots. Now the bow itself can do that and possibly faster. You're not using the bow to its full potential. If you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned. Okay, first I'm going to do what is considered a static hold, or a traditional type of shooting, and which is not my style, but we're going to see what the speeds do with this type of shooting. I should also note that this bow is 50 years old. It's 38 pounds at 28 inches. This is a B55 string, and this is a 450 grain arrow, and it is marked at 28 inches. Okay, first we're going to do the static hold. All right, up next we're going to do my style of shooting. So we're going to leave equipment consistent. We're not going to change a thing with your gear. We're just going to work on removing human error, and that's where you can kind of clean up what you're doing so you can get more of what this bow or your bow has to offer. And the number one thing that I would start you off with is your draw and release. Now when you do static, you are stopping a motion that should just be a fluid, continuous motion. So when you come back and draw and you reach your anchor, the string should just passively leave your fingers instead of actively leave your fingers. When you static hold and you stop that motion, or when you come back fast and hard and stop that motion, you're going to have to actively think about opening your hand and releasing that string. When you come back with fluid control, like when I shoot, I come back here. Once I hit my anchor point, all I have to do is basically let it slip from my fingers. And that's a passive release. So a slower draw, letting the bow build its power, and then just passively letting that string come out of your fingertips will change significantly your arrow speed. I'm gonna leave you with that today. Work on that. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know, comment and let me know how you did. And if you like it, then I'll give you some more tips how to get more speed out of your bow.